In this video, I will show you why and how to install Visual Studio C++ 2015 runtime libraries. This Microsoft C++ libraries are required by applications built by using Microsoft C and C++ tools. Much of the times this comes in the application installation package, but sometimes you may have to manually install by the user before application is installed. So let's look how to install them. It is recommended to check and install all Windows updates before installing Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable, so let's do this first. Go to Search and type Update and select Check for Updates from the list. Then click on Check for Updates button. It will check and installed updates if any updates are available. You can see it says you are up to date. Now let's install C++ 2015 package. For this, go to below link in the browser. I will provide the link in description. Scroll down and click on Download button. Here it is available for 64 and 32-bit. So, let's first check our system is 64 or 32. Go to Search and type About and select About your PC from list. Check the system type and here it says 64-bit. So we have to install 64-bit libraries. Check in 64-bit libraries and click on Download button. Give the location of download. Now double-click on the downloaded exe file. Click on the I agree checkbox and click on the Install button. Click on Close button. Now go to Control Panel to check whether C++ 2015 libraries is installed or not. You can see Visual C++ 2015 libraries installed successfully. Now you can go and install any application which required this libraries. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.